And there is salvation in no one else, for there is no other name under heaven that has been given among men by which we must be saved. Itong malaking problema, sabi niya, there is no one else. Wala nang ibang paraan for anyone to be saved, but only through Jesus Christ. Alam niyo bang implikasyon nun? Marami ngayon nagkiklaim, no, if you join us, you will be saved. Maraming sasabi, if you are part of this belief, you will be saved. Sabi ni Peter, no, there is no one else. There is no other name under heaven that has been given among men by which we must be saved. Ano sinasabi niyan? Biglang ang dami mong kalaban. In a pluralistic world like we have now, everybody would say, it's okay to be Christian. Okay yan. As long as you don't think of others na hindi paraan papunta sa Diyos. You just accept everybody. Itong mundo natin ngayon is just like the days of Peter, where yung pinaniniwalaan nila maraming Diyos. At yung Diyos na yun hindi exclusive. Merong Diyos ng bundok, may Diyos ng dagat, may Diyos. Yung mga Diyos na yun hindi exclusive. Ang sabi ni Peter, biglang, hindi, isa lang. Si Jesus lang. Kaya nga ho, ito rin papaalala ko sa inyo. We do not even tell people, "Hoy, join CCF." Kasi CCF does not help you. It's only Jesus. Ang role lang ng CCF as a local church is to tell you about Jesus. Tama ba? Hello? Now, ito po, paano ba yan? Paano ba ina-apply sa buhay yan? Sabi ng Bible ito, that if you confess with your mouth Jesus as Lord and believe in your heart that God raised Him from the dead, He will be saved. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, ganito. You must believe that that God raised Him from the dead. So, ibig sabihin, if God raised Him from the dead, everything that He claims to be, totoo. Tama? Tama ba yan? Now, ito pa isang problema. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng confessing Jesus as Lord? No, once we declare Jesus as Lord, sinasabi natin, Lord Jesus, Ikaw na ang CEO ng buhay ko. Yan. Ibig sabihin, Lord, yung, hindi na yung will ko, kundi yung will mo. Andiyan ba tayo? So marami ngayon, kahit na sa Pilipinas, we claim to be Christians. Sabi natin, Christian kami. Ano kasi, nagbabasa kami ng Bible, nag-attend kami ng Bible study, nag-attend kami ng D-group, nag-attend kami. Maganda yun. Ang tanong ko, ito, si Jesus ba yung talaga masabi mo, Lord, my decisions, si Lord Jesus lang. Because He is the Chief Executive Officer of my life. That this life is under His management.